Hey guys. Nope, not here, and there we are. And now I'm gonna post a story saying we are live, which we are. We are live. Join us for some bad news. Link in bio. Not bad news, it's not necessary. Join us, link in bio. Right, story posting, and let me just change the name. I do have some bad news, people. Just go there. Now we in, we are here. I just need to change. Today's game design different 5. I do have any viewers, no viewers currently. Oh, one viewer. Hello, whoever that is. Hello, 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 hello. Alright, guys. Stories up, and we are live. We are live. So there. I've got some bad news, and a good news actually. Good news being we got a level designer, and her name is Ali. She's excellent, and she's gonna be also gonna be doing the streams with us, including this one. Not this one, but she's starting her streaming from 20th. That's our Sunday next week, and next Sunday basically. And we also have a bad news. So our file, the original file that we were working on, got corrupted, and we lost all of the work that we did on the levels. Yeah, I know. And because of that, we had to start again. Like basically, me and Ellie spent most of the yesterday trying to salvage what we could, and we were able to salvage most of the code, so which is a good thing, because if we have the code, we can make everything work without any problems. Yeah, so since that happened, we need to since that happened, we need to create a we'll create a what do we say? We will create what we'll create. This next two streams are mostly gonna be about fixing what we couldn't fix, and I'll need to establish the I need to establish what we say. What do we say? The Paravision again. I'd already have the code for it and everything, so I just need to establish. And once that's done, we can get on with the levels. That's yeah. We also have Ellie now, so she's a level designer, so she's gonna work on the levels, which is so she has some work to do as well. But yeah, the good thing is we were able to salvage most of it, most of the code. So only thing we will need to work on is the levels now. And this stream is mostly gonna be me trying to implement back the Paravision. And yeah, and Paravision, maybe get the enemies back in. I do have already have the enemies made. So everything, the thing is, everything's done. So it's just creating the levels again. So yeah, we were okay. Look at it this way. We only lost level 3, and which was my favorite level, but what can I do? We only lost level 3. We were about to make level 2 again anyway, and we were about to make level 1 anyway. So, did we really lose anything? That's the question. So yeah, level 3, I'm kind of upset about level 3, but that's fine. Well, good thing is you're able to salvage most of the code, so and since most of the code is done, the most of the mechanics are already done, so that's pretty much it. I also try to implement the crouch mechanic again if I can, because that also was a thing. Let's see if I can do that first for all. I do already have the thing is, since I'm using a new first person controller now, I mean, it's not based on my old code, it's based on new code now. So let me see. Crouch, technique, I have a crouch. I don't think so. You know what? I can add a crouch. It's fine. Take this first. Crouch operation is controlled. The light of this crouch. This crouch. This first. Crouch start operation. Crouch. Yeah, I can make it work. So we already have ground check, right? And there's a ground check. It's gonna be mostly coding today, guys. Grounded check. Okay, that's the grounded check. And since we have ground checks, we have grounded operation. Yeah, can jump from gravity. That's fine. You can jump. That's fine. I have two choices, right? Either I can add my crouch mechanic to the normal to the normal code, which is kind of makes it easier, and reestablish the code again, or I can create a, or I can try to use this code and include that with the crouch code, which will definitely lead to a kind of a okay. Let me see if I can find a solution for it. I did prepare a code already, but I didn't implement it yet. I'd already have it made, so I can probably add it there. Which is fine. Yeah, I can probably make it work. Yeah, I did prepare a code already, so if I can make that work, I'm gonna keep it on the side just for now. I prepared it yesterday, so I can probably make that work, but I'm gonna keep it on the side just for now. And there you are. Let me just put the code in. So I'll explain it as well, what I'm doing as well. Don't worry. First person controller. Where are you? Start assets. There. Not there. There. It's mostly the same code, but what I did was just added a crouch mechanic in it. So I'll just show you what the code works as. And there we are. Good boy. So it's mostly the same code. There's nothing changed or anything. It's just wait, where do you go? Where's the error? Take me to the error. Why am I getting an error? I don't get an error. Oh, it's this. So that's fine. Other than that. So basically, what I added was I tried to make the crouch handle work here. So crouch if handle crouch if keys is pressed and force crouch will apply vibration in the head. So there's when the crouch happens, when the head is there, when I press the keys, which is the control key for now, I haven't enforced the control key yet. So once we have the key, we can. There you go. There you go. Ooh, let's go. Alpha Games and first time chat. Hello, nice to meet you. That's Ellie, by the way, guys. That's a level designer. Sorry, no. Where's my Red Bull? Why don't I have Red Bull? That's weird. I've just been working without Red Bull. Okay, back at it. Yeah. So since you already have a crouch code, which I made yesterday, trust me, guys, I spent so much time on it yesterday. It was crazy. Yeah, I'm trying to make it work, but yeah. Let me show you how the mechanics works first of all. So this is a character collider. That's a first person collider, which is first person, as you guys know. And so it's gonna check if crouch. If it's not crouched, then it's crouched. It's true. Crouch start. If the key is pressed, then crouch start. Crouch starts invoke. If else it is crouched, head local position dot is equal to, and the local position of the Y goes like down basically. So controller height minus and controller vector 3 times 5. It's not. It's easy if you understand that I'm doing it, but since you guys don't know, so I'm gonna explain it to you anyway. So yeah, that's how basically it's gonna work. And it already checks if it's grounded, which is already done from the last script. So we're gonna just work with that. Why are you taking me here? I don't want it there. So first person controller, we don't have a head, which is this guy. So there's the head. Controller is the first person capsule controller. That's good as well. And character collider, that's still a player, which is there. Ground check keys, I'm gonna add the crouch key with left control and right control. Done. So this technically should be ground check is already on. Wait, don't I have ground check? I do have ground check. I have a ground check code already. Where did I put it? There. So player capsule ground check, and that's the script it's meant to get. But let me just. I need to add it here, and it's grounded, maps ground distance, and that goes there. Done. So technically I'm meant to, and it's not working. Great. Left control, not working. All ground check. Let me see. Console, no errors. Wait, it's saying invalid operation critical heading for employee class. Take me to. Oh wait, we are trying to put in input using input plus just it's active input. Let's see. Wait 1 second. No, this one. What is this? I'm gonna choose. Mm, right. Okay. We are gonna create it. I can say that. That's done, that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done, that's done. I'm gonna let me go look at the code first for a second. What if maybe I can try to. Let me try. If I add input action, that should technically make it work on the side. Yeah, that can work. And if I also if I create a let me see. Yeah, I'm already got done, got that. Already have a ground check, private ground check. Ground check, I'm using ground check as another company. Yes, ground check is another company, so that's fine. Already got input action, that's done. Right, I don't need this. What? Hey, let me see there. Where's my start? There you are. Controller input directing of my and complete blah blah blah. That's fine. Jump out. Come on, people. Let me think. Okay. Jump timer, fall timer. Head done. Controller done. Get component done. What if I? It's asking me. Wait a second. Not going to be here. I need to do something which I forgot to do. I don't like it. I don't like it. Nope. Let me see if I can find another one. I have another set of codes which I can use. Let me see if I can use that. Wait, already have that. Let's see. Don't even need that. Don't need that. Wait, what? Why? Yeah, I don't need that. Oh, wait. Let's see if I can. Sorry guys, 1 second. Yeah, I don't. Wait. Fuck off. Sorry guys. guys, I'm just trying to find something which I forgot existed. Alright, let's see. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, come on. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm actually gonna kill you. Alright, there. Let's see if I can find something here. And that's done for, and I'm gonna check one more thing. Okay, let's see. Crouch, no object reference, no object reference, that's fine. Real to access grounded, is grounded, is checking if it's grounded as well, so why is it not? Cannot find crouch and starter accident. I did make your crouch and starter accident, but mother chut. Null reference. Where is the null reference coming from? Alright. Cannot find crowd. Let's see where we fucked up. Right. It's irritating because I already made it happen, but now I can't. It's just irritating. Careful moves. Did I need to what? I get him. She's got to do this school. No distractions. Maybe I can try that. To be honest, I'm not trying anything right now. Not this one. Wait, I don't need to. No. Close. Copy, delete, it should go here if I'm not wrong. Yeah. That and then else if comes up and then should be crouch else. Why is it not showing up? Why is it not showing up? Else. Should be here, that's good. Crouch action and do input. New input. action. Finding. Finding. And boom. Notate. Not that. That. And keyboard. Which should be left control. And that goes there, and that goes there, done. And then couch action binding, and again call it, yeah, call it before, right? Okay, keyboard switch right control, that's for the right control. CTRL, done. Crouch action, not dot anything. That's technically should keep it up a bit, so it up a bit at least. Don't show an error, don't show an error, don't show an error, key not found, cannot specify. That's key not found. Why is there a null reference in crowd action? Read, come on, why are you saying that? What if I, you know what I can do? I can get back the old, what I'll do is, rather than using I'll bring back the old code and copy. I know, one second. Let me see if I can make it work first. And copy. Yeah, give me 1 second. I also have a ground check script. Let me see if I can do something with that, because that is a better behavior on the ground check rather than that one which I created before. Hmm. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Okay. Let me see if I can make something like that. Oh, come on, did I do it? Say, I think I need to get rid of this mouse now. So, what basically we're doing is, We are trying to make crouch work simultaneously with the first person first person controller group, because crouch is from a different script rather than the old script. But what I thought I could do was add the crouch mechanic to the first person controller. And I thought, I was like, maybe it's not that hard, maybe I can do it, but apparently it is. Let me just see if I can. I'll show the code once I can make something of it. Right, that's there. And I have a also I can make something of this. And then that. Right. So you technically should work simultaneously now, but let me just see if I can make some sense of it. Player class and player ground check already exists. Done. Don't say that you can't call it, because if you can't call it and you couldn't call it, fuck off. This error is irritating the fuck out of me. This called the camera or camera character light. What is your problem? Why are you not there? Why are you showing an error? Key not found. But you are there though, that's the thing. You already exist. What do you mean by key not uh, ground and include layers? Nothing. Exclude layer, nothing. Ground layers, default ground, that's good. Ray class, player capsule, character. There you are. Push players, nothing. Can push, nothing. Strength, fuck off. Player input assets, UI model, camera, no, nothing. You know what? Well, if I don't have, let's say if I don't have that, then what happens? Yeah, I'm gonna stop moving. Because player input, that you are there. I already have you there. Okay, I might need to add it. Wait, I do have a starter input already, right? And if I create, I already have sprint. If I make another one, actions, one more, which is going to be called crouch, and keyboard mouse, and it's going to get interaction. Input and part, it's going to be keyboard and control, left control, and also another one. Heading, which is going to be right control. So you technically can call controller, which is should crouch control. Okay. Wait, what's this? I might have put the spelling wrong. Wait, what the no, not that. Rename should be named crouch. Marty goes not crouch once. Crouch. Rename crouch. Let's see. Can you find it? Can you find it? Just say you can find it, because you can't find it. Okay. Wait, listen to that. Crouch lock position. Let's make it 4. This one. What is going on? It's not setting it, that's the problem. Where is the non-reference coming from? Time capsule is there, player follow camera is different. Where's the non-reference value card? It's this one. Okay. Cannot find crouch in the starter access input. That's fine because starter. Oh wait, did I not add it here? Oh, that might have been my bad. Front input notification. Front input notification. Oh wait, what is? Wait, I think I might have found the problem. Oh wait, it might have found the problem. Wait, give me 1 second. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can make this work. I know, give me 1 second. There we go. And if it doesn't have the namespace, now it has the namespace, which is crouch, which is there, and key not found again. Left control, right, the key not found. Where's the crouch? On crouch, crouch input values, that's public void, which is public on there. Crouch input, new crouch state, new crouch state, crouch state, crouch. Might be the worst of spelling again. Let's see if I can find the starter inputs again. Yeah, it says crouch. Game production. It's called crouch. It's the same spelling. And what's the spelling for it? Yeah, I already have it though. Crouch action is got player input dot action crouch. Same, literally same spelling. Not a single problem. Writing down and show me there and show it there. Same spelling, crouch interactions button, left control, right control, interaction process, action type, check out the save, down, crouch. Okay, see if I can fix the spelling again. Let me just print out. Not crouch one, just crouch. Done. And let's see if that maybe starts to include it. Alright, that's good. And it's done. It was the spelling, and it's not crouching though. That's because it's not meant to be y. It's meant to be -3. Let's make it -2. It was about the crouching. We made it work, guys. Right. Wait, that's two down, two down, two down, two down. -1. Maybe -1 will work. Yeah, so you see it's crouching now, so we got the crouching work. Now next thing to implement, we're also going to implement when I'm crouching and behind an object, so we'll need to create a trigger for like these boxes. So if I'm behind the object and let's say if I'm behind a trigger going like, oh, that's a trigger, and if I'm behind it or if I'm around it. Let's say if I'm crouched, right? If I'm crouched and behind the object, enemies can't spot me. That's going to be the basic of that. So if, right, already have the enemy script. Let's see if I can add like a normal enemy from the assets. You know what, before that I'll start implementing the Eagle Vision, and let me just see if I can. Again, big shout out to Tetra because they helped a lot with this. I couldn't have done it without them. Right, first of all, we go project settings, and I'll just need to do this shit again because and project settings, and we go to graphics, and graphics should already be pre-packaged with the universal render pipeline, which I already do, right? And always include element 1, element 2, and I need to include a couple of more. Wait, fuck that, why do you take me there? Where do you go? There we go. Show it to me here, and there, and add another one, and another one is going to exist on the Tetras, Eagle Vision. Settings. There. Show it to me first. Go there. Go there. Wait, why would you do that? Like if I'm there, why would I go for another one? Mother chod chuti. And I have the main camera, and I'm gonna have a couple of layers which are gonna be. I think I already know. Yellow, yeah, red. I did before, so yellow and white. Go back to Eagle Vision, camera. Currently don't show this. I don't want to see this working. This one. And here's my manager. And there's my, yes, this. That's my shader. Oh, don't need that for now. Don't need you for now. Tetra. Let's see. Is it this? Yeah, there you go. Goes there. Google Vision Manager. Import player. Player is that. So player stops in there. Main camera is main camera. Default volume. Global volume, which is this one. Eventually, we get global volume from. Is it this one? Let's see. I should have another. Let's see if I can get it from there rather than keep it there. Let's see. Yes, there. Global volume. Doesn't need that. So we also have an eagle volume, but we also need a global volume, which we already have seen. And there we go. Wait, that paste. And that goes to our Eagle Vision Manager, which is default volume is global volume, which is there. And what else am I doing? Eagle Vision volume is the Eagle Vision volume, so player value, Eagle Vision Manager, player volume, Eagle Vision volume is Eagle Vision volume, there's it. And no persistent error to TPL, that's fine. Max are 4, which is green, yellow, red, that's already been there, that's fine. The weight of that, so game wise it's gonna do like it's good. Keep it at that for now. Priority Vision Manager 2, 3, 2. System back to Tetras and environment system URP settings or under there red there was red white where was what white is back to nothing, then white. No white, no white. Wait, that's a wave. That's no wait, that I don't need to change that. And red default, that's fine. White is white, not red, white. And yellow is yellow. This one. Focal current script will be added here, which is 4.9. There we are. That's already list is empty. I'm gonna have 4 there. Right, what? Why is it letting me add the materials? Wait, that's not the map. Wait, oh, that's my bad. There you are. Why can't I see your paste it? Okay, red, yellow. I think there's gonna be a problem with this thing, but we can make it happen. Let's see. I need to see one thing first. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's there. Animation. Let's make it for now. That's fine. And I'll get. Let's say, where's my pair? There's the pair. I'll make this red. Red. Wait, not don't say so. Red. Yes, make this yellow. Just not just this. Red. Red. Done. So if I press tab now, should technically where's my animation? Again tab. What's the main camera? Where's the camera? Maybe I can let's just keep it at one for now. I don't know. Increase the intensity. Seconds. Let me change it back to tab. Mission volume, global weight. Mission manager tab. You should see nothing. So no, I'll see it there. Yeah. Points preparation. That's point. Information managers, main camera player capture tab. That's fine. Where is that one? Or did I change it to this one clear yes. Okay, just grab that to increase my volume. Nothing there, nothing there. Resolution method. Yeah, there is something wrong here. Wait, what? What script does it have? Does it have? Might not have a. Wait, wait, opportunity to. Wait, there. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, okay. These things. That's the image that focus on scripts of there. Shaders exist. Textures exist. Let's see if I can make it a bit darker then. Maybe it's the environment stuff, lightning. Let's decrease the lightning of it. Oh wait, that can't be the problem. Maybe it's lightning. Directional light, color is increased. Yes. Okay. Why are you not work? You're meant to work perfectly. Now you're the one causing problems. You're meant to highlight red. Maybe it's the let's see. It's the order layer, maybe. There you are, fresh style, that's fine, shader, that's fine. Oh, come on, fuck's sake. Trying to be trying to. Wait. That's not anything to be honest. Always include automatic. think, give me 1 second. Let me check if what I can do what is probably the best thing I can do, and I'm surprised I didn't think of it earlier, was I can use my old videos to see how I build everything, because
Toing, toing, toing. Mix up. No flashlight. Wait, layer should. Volume is 5. So when I go tab, just for this one. Just for this one. So when I go tab,
I think it might be to do something with the power materials. Yes, like five, 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 five. It might be to do something with the power. Come on. What if I make it? Oh, wait, what if I make this 10? Put this 1. Then what happens? I don't get it. Like, that's too weird because it worked before perfectly and now it's not. Hmm? I don't get it. Wait. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it.
tab. Can't see you. Tab. Don't go white now. Did I change the pickup?
What does it mean?
What did it takes a lot of pressure on the thing. Did that. They should be added here. Okay. I can see that.
Same. I'm checking from my old video how do it work. Because who would know it better than the old me?
Red system. Separate. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Where are you? There you are. So, first of all, let's get the enemy. Add the Eagle Vision script to FPS, obviously. Eagle Vision script. There is capsule. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This eagle vision volume goes there. And what does that? Did it do something?
Your mouse is empty.
Default. What is? These are all materials.
Don't mind to add some.
It's not trying to open the so there's no
Something is right.
this one? No, I need to check the and yeah, got that.
Cool.
Yeah, got that, got that, got that. How do I imply it into the
Where is my? Not there. Not there. Not there. Where did I keep it? Come on. Settings on. There must wave goes to what? Wave goes. Where is wave? Oh wait, wave is wave. Don't worry about that. Yellow. There must be yellow. Yep. Red. There must. Red and white. There must. White. It should have shown up. Maybe because I didn't add anything on the white yet. Come on. Let's see. What else do I do?
go to red and enemy there? I don't know. Should we call it? There should be two. Then I'll make the red enemy.
Already gave them a few.
Why is it so? Why on
Already gave
the script from? See, where's the go?
No. So I'm currently at the same bit.
Priority zero. think it might be the oh, there is no fucking input. Fuck. Let's just. There was no input. Okay.
Wait, still doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
He's at the same bit that I am. But
Input.
it's
Let's
me,
just.
but that doesn't make sense. What is the same bit that I am, but why is it not working? It's red. Let's make this yellow. Which yellow? This object only. That's done. Okay. What did I get myself into? We've already got that. Wait. Wait. Why is that weight 0? Maybe that was a problem. What if I change the priority to 1? Eagle vision manager, player, main camera. There's the main camera. Wait, where is the main camera? That's the same camera. Global volume, tab 1. What did I supposed to do it? No, that's the same one. Post versus duration 3. Let's make it 10. Match element 1 to that. Okay, same. Eagle vision volume, same. Already gave a universal render pipeline, so let's double sure. Universal render pipeline. Eagle vision universal render activity, same one, this one. Red is red, layer mask red. Yellow wave is default, light mode tags, don't need them. White is white, eagle vision pass index, that's fine. And yellow is yellow for some reason, but that's fine. Pass index material, eagle vision yellow, shader, that's good, right. Same with this, same with this, and same with this, alright. Red, eagle vision red, overrides wave is right there, that's focal point 1. Why is 1 and 1 and 1? Let me see if you can wait. So let's make it. I can't see it. Control. Surface options. Surface inputs. Color white. 1. Yeah, that's fine. 0 0.4. 1. Let's make it 0 0.4 as well. Alright. 14 priority. 50. The thing is, it's. So when I press tab, it's meant to. This is my console. Invalid offering. Ah! You cause a problem again. Why is it an invalid operation? Tab. So, okay, you're trying to read input setting into Unity input class, but you have switched active input settings into queue settings and player settings. What if I... Yeah, I'm not meant to mess with this script. Okay, it might be because of the input settings, but maybe I can try something. Copy. Where's the code for the individual? I'm not going to mess with this, but you know what? I'm gonna mess with it. Why? Because I can. Good thing no errors, but I still can't do anything. Just, uh, that's not good. Maybe it's because. Tell me the reason for that. Edit project settings, and let me go back to layer. Other settings. Where's my other settings? Active input handling. Other settings. Section support. Active input settings. Active input handling set input settings. As I said, I don't want to mess with the code that I did before, so let's keep it that. And what I want to do is I want to try to keep it at one. I want to see if the code comes up. And yeah, invalid operation. Yeah, switch output to input handling. Yeah, okay. You are trying to read input using which I can find. We are trying to read input using input settings package in player settings. Okay, so I'm trying to call something that is only meant to be in the player. That's the problem that's causing it, right? So start it. That's the one that's. So if I call something, let's say, I'll need to make another. What do you say? Another action called Eagle Vision, which is gonna be based on path, keyboard, tab key, right? Yeah, I said keyboard and mouse. And it should be the same spelling as this one. I need the red one. And polygon. And give me 1 second. I did have it. Where did it go? Where did it go? There we go. Well, okay. Okay. Let's see if I can see if it. I know. Give me 1 second. I'll make it work. We're trying to change the code because code is actually pretty good. So let me see if I can make this one. Wait, is that the problem? No, it's not. This one. Wait. No. That can't be the problem. Can it? Nah. Nope. Nope. Let's see. Come on. Don't give me an error. I already gave an Eagle Vision for the tab. Input action tab key. Right. Something happened. And there we are. Finally. Now it works. Now it's better. Alright, we got a book. Finally. Done. finally, and no fucking errors. Oh wait, I didn't even show you what did I do. Oh, I do have that. Yeah. So, problem was that I was trying to call an invalid action, which was never meant to be part of the input action that we were made starter as an input in. So what I tried to do was create an action for tab keys. So if I have an input action for tab keys, it calls an input action on enable, which calls it my vision, normal vision, which is eagle vision. Obviously, I had to mess with the code a bit, but it kind of it works. Of course, for duration that we can switch now. But yeah, what our idea was effect action, which calls an enable, which is right. Yeah, there you go. Effect action. So once effect is on, vision on time comes out, effect on quite set, load set, load on, destroy, on, disable. And what I did was, which so input action if I created for binding with the key, which started as an inputs, which is I added a key for right there. It was basically which is tab. Even though I could have messed it around with here, which is right here. If that's meant to be tab, but even though I could have messed it around with here, I called it by my own thing, which is right here. Get it? So now it's calling directly from the starter asset inputs rather than calling it from the Eagle Vision Manager. That's it. That's pretty much it. That's all it is. So we got the crouch to work again, and we got the Eagle Vision to work again. That's our basic of the mechanics that we did completed. Now it comes to level design, which is why we have Ellie for. And obviously I will help, but that's our job. We work together, all of us. Yes, and that's pretty much it for today, guys. And I'll see you next stream. We have gone along today. Yeah, today was a nice stream. I liked it. Even though we had to do the same shit that we had to do before, we still made quite a bit progress. Alright, guys. See ya. Bye bye.